The magic that comes to me surprises and delights me and supports me in deeper understanding and purer forms of love. I am alert to the magic and allow it to nourish me constantly. The stuff of the magic includes signs and symbols, gorgeous timing, unplanned rendezvous, fun with words and numbers, recognition, and then echoes, repetition, all manner of synchronicity. Because I live in the magic, I live in the flow, I move downstream, I harness the power of ease, effortlessness, alignment. I drop into stillness and silence as needed. I keep course correcting according to signals from my guidance system. And I love that that system alerts me to tweaks needed as I move down my path. I am on a beautiful life adventure characterized by awe, wonder, curiosity, and deep appreciation. I am in love.